These are constellation tubes. First, we have the Big Dipper. Next, we have the Small Dipper. Both of them are called asterism, a prominent pattern or group of stars, typically having a popular name but smaller than a constellation. Third, we have the Cassiopeia. Cassiopeia is notable because of its W shape, represent the queen sitting on her throne. The last one is the Orion, or the Hunter. It has the Regal Star, a super big blue star, and the Betelgeuse, the super duper red giant star.